Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called How Do 3D Renderings Help Homeowners Make Better Remodeling Decisions? All right, folks, today we're stepping into the world of 3D renderings, a game changer that'll have you feeling like you've got a crystal ball for home design. If you think 3D is just for high-tech game graphics, think again, because it's shaping up to be the future of home remodeling, and for good reason. Picture this. You're dreaming about that new remodel, but what you see in your head is fuzzier than an old rerun on a vintage TV. That's where 3D renderings come in, turning those mushy ideas into a visual feast that's clearer than an Arizona sky after a summer downpour. These renderings let you see exactly what your space will look like, from the big pieces down to the tiny details, before a single wall is knocked down. Now let's talk about options. You can play with color schemes like a painter with a palette, shifting from cool blues to warm reds without buying a single gallon of paint. You can swap countertops like they're wigs at a drag show, choose and change again until it's pitch perfect. And y'all, I can't make this stuff up. Seeing these options in 3D helps you make choices you won't regret the moment the grout dries. It's not just aesthetics, though. Imagine making layout changes to your floor plan and being able to navigate your future kitchen like it's already built. You pinpoint potential problem areas and tweak them in crystal clear detail, helping you avoid costly mistakes down the line. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Demand these visualizations from your contractor because watching your concepts unfold in 3D ensures everyone is aligned. It's like getting a pre-flight checklist before you take off, so no one forgets the all-important landing gear. 3D renderings also make family buy-in a breeze. Show your partner or your interior critic, aka your teenager, the digital walkthrough and watch those dissenting voices transform into excited stakeholders faster than you can say, "You almost got it right, Dad." Everyone sees and everyone gets it, creating harmony all around. So here's the thing, when you're planning a remodel, peering into 3D renderings offers insights, saves money, and ultimately leads to a project that fits like a glove. They're more than just pretty pictures. They're your best ally in ensuring that when your remodel journey begins, you're hitting the ground running with confidence. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.